When we think of pollution, we usually think of factories, car emissions, and litter on the ground and in the ocean. But light pollution is one of the most pervasive and dangerous forms of pollution on Earth. It began with the invention of electric light. Being able to use light at night led to increased productivity, leisure time, and safety. But it has come at a great cost. Over 80% of all human beings live under light polluted skies. Light pollution not only affects city dwellers, many suburban and rural areas have become increasingly bright at night. In fact, one third of the world's population cannot see the Milky Way from their homes. The stunning beauty of the night sky is greatly diminished for much of the world's population. Light pollution is a problem for astronomers and stargazers, but why is it considered pollution? The reason is this: extensive research has clearly established that plants and animals, including humans, experience health effects due to prolonged exposure to artificial light. Bright lights can confuse migrating birds. They are disoriented by and drawn to bright lights. Each year, millions of migrating birds crash into brightly lit buildings and towers. They often die from these collisions. Sea turtles are one of the species most impacted by light pollution. Females lay their eggs on beaches, but are less likely to do so when it is too bright. Hatchlings follow moonlight reflecting on the water to guide them, but if artificial light is closer and brighter, they often follow that instead, ending up dehydrated and far from the water. Millions of sea turtle hatchlings die each year due to disorientation caused by light pollution. Amphibians, too, are affected by light pollution. Under lit areas, male tree frogs will lessen or stop their mating calls. In this way, their breeding cycles are disrupted. Night lighting fools trees into thinking that the day is longer than it is, affecting annual dormancy patterns. Trees may hold on to leaves longer, thinking that autumn days have not yet shortened. This can leave them vulnerable to the cold weather to come. We humans willingly subject ourselves to nighttime light. Whether we are working or playing on screens at night, we are disrupting our wake sleep cycles, which creates hormonal imbalances. The resulting reduction in melatonin wreaks havoc on our bodies and can result in conditions such as insomnia, depression, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. We can all help. Now that you know what's at stake, here are some steps you can take to reduce light pollution. Outdoors, use lighting only when and where it's needed. Timers and dimmers can help with this. Also, use shields to direct light downward. Indoors, use energy efficient lighting, but choose warm LED lights rather than those with a concentration of blue light. Close curtains and blinds to prevent light spillage outside. And avoid blue light from screens at night. Want to do more? Check out the Globe at Night website, a worldwide citizen science project where you can upload measurements of brightness from your area. Once we humans educate ourselves on the effects of light pollution and how to help curb it, we can make a difference. Our global ecosystem is depending on it.